We are learning the piano in the key of A. We are in the key of A, and we're gonna learn the piano scale within this key. And we're gonna be using the numbering system, right, to communicate. And I'm going to teach you from 1 up to 7 on this video. Go first with your left hand, and then secondly, we're gonna do that 1 up to 7 using the root chords, and I'm gonna be using my 3 fingers chord triads. And then the last thing that we're gonna do, we will use those same chords that we just learned, which is gonna be your chord triads. We're gonna use those same notes to play a simple song, but at the end of the day, after you've learned the scale, you'll be able to play a song. How cool is that? I know, right? Now let's start. This is your 1 in the key of A. So 1, so 2, so 3, so 4, so 5, so 6, so 7, 1 again. I'm sure you've heard this somehow, right? Do, re, di, da. I don't know how it goes, but yeah. Do, la, 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 la. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's learn that scale. Let's learn that 1 up to 7 using our right hand. We're gonna be using 3 fingers, as I said. After I've learned that, now you know how to play your scale using your left hand. Now let's learn to play that with your right hand. And then after we're done learning that with the right hand, we will play the same scale using both hands. This is your 1. This is your 2. This is your 3. This is your 4. This is your 5. Root chord of 6. And then our last one is 7, diminished chord. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let me use 2 hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move on to 3. This is your 3, root chord. So 3, and then let's move to 4. This is your 4. This is your 5. Okay, let's move to 6. So 6. Okay, the last one, 7. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that you've learned your scale from 1 up to 7 with both hands, let's learn a song. And in this video, we're going to use this scale with these chords to play Our God is an Awesome God song at a beginner level, right? Now we're gonna start from 4. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. And so it's just from your 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. Our God, for the last time, is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. I hope this helps, and I hope you learn something. And continue practicing. With practice, it gets better. So make sure that you continue to practice your scale in the key of A.